You call it flip flop. I call it pivoting. I call it adapting. It's your boy Crypto Million back with another one. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why it's important, family, to adapt to every situation in cryptocurrency. There's, I think, a lot of people they get it. They kind of get it messed up, right? They call it flip flopping when in reality it's called adaption, right? The ability to pivot if you see a better opportunity. For example, I know a lot of people was asking me, in the live stream yesterday, did you buy any more Elon token? And frankly, I have not bought any more Elon token. Just looking at some of the metrics and the technicals for the month, it tells me that cryptocurrency as a whole could potentially go down more, especially altcoins. If we see something like a Bitcoin trading sideways or taking a little dip, as we get more pain to end off the year, only because I believe that we may get another federal rate hike with the current rise of oil. The data shows that inflation itself is still sticky, and we're starting to see chinks in the armor of the economy with unemployment rising. So right now, a lot of people are not focused on cryptocurrency, right? Their number one focus is their responsibilities. I just don't think people are putting cryptocurrency at the top of their to-do list. Hence the reason we've been lacking liquidity in the cryptocurrency space. Now, for example, a lot of people ask me about my move when I decided to sell Elon tokens, right? Now, in the midst of that, I didn't sell Elon tokens into fiat, right? I sold Elon tokens into stable coins, just looking um, uh, uh, you know, um, to take advantage of opportunities that was in the market. For instance, right, you can see here on the year, Elon token is down 52%. It may fall even more. It may rise a little bit, but in the near future, short term, I'm bearish. I don't see us, ending the trend, right? Ending the trend, the downtrend that we've been seeing for the last year. So if you started with $10,000 and you've been investing into Elon for the whole year, you probably are sitting around anywhere between 5,000 and 7,500. So again, if you've been investing into this token for the year, you're literally losing money, right? You're losing money a lot more quicker than you would lose money with inflation or if you just kept it in straight cash. So this is why it's important to understand that buying the dip, and I had to learn this, right? I'm learning this as I go, right? This is a crypto journey. This is something that I wouldn't have been able to tell you guys a year ago or 2 years. Sometimes you can save yourself from buying a dip and put yourself in a position to pivot and take advantage of the opportunities that may present itself as we continue to trade sideways for Bitcoin and the altcoin reckoning, as my boy Coward would say, the altcoin reckoning commences. Now, example, for the last month, you can see Elon is only up here for about 1%. Now, this is an example. Plays app, give you an example. Let's say I took some of my Elon liquidity, right? I sold off some of my Elon liquidity and put it into PlayZap at the start of the month. Well, if you would have put some of that liquidity into PlayZap at the start of the month, then you would be up a whopping 353%. Where hey, you could have took your initial investment, you could have took your profits out and slide it back into Elon and not missed a step, right? Elon is literally in the same spot that it was in last month. And this is why so many people get caught up into the loyalty of these tokens that they honestly forget that there's opportunities all throughout the cryptocurrency space. So the same liquidity that you've been sitting here in Elon token, and this is just an example. I'm not here to pick on Elon because I think the project still will do well in the future. But the best thing you could be doing right now in the crypto space is compounding liquidity, finding ways to 2x, 3x, 5x your money going into the halving cycle, putting yourself in a position to compound some of those gains that you may make off a quick short-term micro cap or a quick short-term play, because every play is not meant to be long-term. So again, a lot of people argue that, but hey, I was able to put some of my liquidity into this small cap and literally, family, put myself in position to at one point, what we did a 5x or 6x with PlayZap, right? And I could take that same money that I took out of Elon, um, out of my PlayZap bag, as maybe you want to take profits or take back your initial investment or take whatever you sold off with Elon and put it back into Elon, where I still have my Elon bag and I still have my PlayZap moon bag. So you gotta, the moral of this video is, you gotta know how to pivot, family. You gotta know how to pivot at the opportunity that may present yourself, because outside of all that loyalty, we here for the bag, right? And if there's opportunities that you're missing out because you got caught holding the bag, it really doesn't make sense if that cryptocurrency is not going up or has any plans on going up in the next 3 to 6 months. So I'm not saying move stuff around or sell your blue chip bag, but I'm telling you, be be prepared, right? Be prepared if you have to pivot, right? If you're not seeing the if you're not seeing the progress from the devs, if you're not seeing things that you want to personally see as an investor, don't be afraid to pivot. Don't be afraid to make a decision on a bag if there's a better opportunity available. I think that's pretty much the gist of this video here. So because we are so close to the halving cycle, I think a lot of people are starting to get frustrated because they want to see these moves happen quickly. And don't get me wrong, there will be moves that happen quickly in cryptocurrency, but proper preparation is everything, man. And I don't want to stress this out to you guys and sound like an echo chamber, but you don't have to be loyal to any cryptocurrency. It's okay with pivoting. It's okay with making moves if there's a better opportunity. And hey, you can always come back. Literally, Elon only went up 1% on a month. So the play that I made, I literally didn't miss out on anything. I was able to 6x that liquidity. And if I want to come back to Elon, I'm coming back to the same spot that it was in before I left it. I can't give you guys a better example. I think that whole hodl, flip flop, all that's dead, man. Opportunities will present themselves. Diamond hands, it's nothing wrong with having diamond hands. I don't want you guys to get that idea of what I'm saying. But right now, you need to be getting as much liquidity as possible, because we're getting close to the finish line. And if there's an opportunity that's going to give you a chance to 5x, 6x your money real quick, why not? If the cryptocurrency you sold is literally in the same spot you left it in the past month. Hopefully everybody understand that strategy there. It's not a strategy for everybody. Don't do what I do. Do what you do. Not financial advice, but just a little bit how I was thinking, because I seen a comment that was like, "Oh, flip flop." There's no flip flopping in cryptocurrency. It's just being a opportunist. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.